What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the Derek Hallman Motovlog channel. We are out here on the 2019 KTM150SX today. Really hot 90-degree day in North Carolina at the beautiful CowBranch Motocross Park. Oh my god, I cased that so bad. I didn't realize how far that was. That hurt. All right, he's been hitting a line over here. Oh no. Are you kidding me? Ow, my neck, bro. Shit. Holy shit, I feel like they made that jump bigger. Man, it's been a while since I rode. I got to get back into the flow. Shake the butterflies off. I'm like scared of the big jumps. That felt good. I keep messing up that rut. I gotta commit better. Whew. All right, Derek, don't f the rut up this time. You got it. Nope. Oh, too high of a gear. Damn it. I don't know why I haven't hit this jump today. Like, haven't felt confident for some reason. The takeoff looks like a vert wall right now. It's one of those jumps I know I can do because I've been here before and I've done that jump so many times. And I'm riding like an idiot. I just don't have that confidence for some reason. God. Yeah, buddy. Dude, I freaking railed that. Are you kidding me? Oh! That thing lifted the front wheel up. I was drifting off the back. Yeah, buddy. Let's go, Pat. Yoo-hoo! Shit, he scrubbed that awesome. Alright, so I'm using my new DJI Action 4 to get some third-person shots of us hitting this jump. I got a handy-dandy little like tripod that you can carry around that extends and collapses real easy. That angle looks good. It looks high up. Yeah, buddy, hit this corner. So I am going to film some motovlogs using this DJI Action 4, but first time out using it, I just want to get some like third-person clips with it, just see what it looks like. And I got this fancy, not fancy, but this cool new tripod that like you can carry it around really easily. Loosen it. There you go. And then she expands like that. It's just super helpful if you want to like get third-person shots for your video to break it up, make it a little bit more interesting. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys are interested in something like that. I think it's pretty cool, pretty handy. I like it so far. Rip that corner, dude. All right, so a little pro tip here. If you don't want to be swapping out batteries in your GoPro all day when you're out riding, buy yourself one of these power banks right here. You just charge this up when you're at home and it can charge up your GoPro so fast and so many times. So every time I come in from riding and I'm just hanging out, chilling, taking a break, I plug this cord in right here to the battery charger and the battery's good to go next session. Don't gotta take it off. Don't got to take the battery out, swap it or anything. I'll have a link to the battery bank that I use, the microphone that I use, all that good stuff in the description if you're interested. But yeah, just a fun tip that I've been doing recently, and it's a lot less of a pain in the ass than changing the battery all the time. I'm just gonna hit this jump and hit some corners and work on little sections. I feel like I'm hitting it okay, but I can't do anything cool over it. I'm afraid to try and whip. It feels like a big jump. Landing off this, like, I think 70-ish foot triple thing, tabletop, whatever. There's this nice outside right-hand berm, and I feel like I'm hitting it decent. Yeah, I'm a little strung out, maybe third. I definitely hit it faster in third, but I wasn't like revved out on the limiter. It probably didn't sound as cool. Woo! Lost the front wheel a little bit, but we got it back. No problem. Oh shit, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I got so low and just held it wide open. That was only in first gear, but it felt good. Fire that baby up. Patrick's got a new FMF pipe. Well, this part he's had, but he got the, what is that, Megabomb?
Megabomb.
Got a new Megabomb on this thing, 2020 KX250. Oh, baby. Give me one little one. Sounds like a wet fart.
I love it.
Hitting these doubles, tables. Oh yeah, looking good. Go way outside. I thought I was gonna be in the way for that. Look good, bro. All right, y'all, I appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. We're gonna wrap the motovlog up here. It's been an absolutely awesome Thursday at CowBranch MX Park out here on the KTM150 with my buddy Patrick. But I hope overall you guys enjoyed that video. Please leave it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.